Meet Nitro. This sweet guy, full of a ton of energy, loves to be around people and loves to play with his owners. But something that they just wanted to work on was his ability to focus. You see, he was so hypersensitive to any noise, it would set him off to either get really scared or really reactive to whatever that noise was. And so these were some of the things that we worked on, and we built great stability together. So let's see how he does after a few weeks of training.